this is the best way to grip a barbell. Boom! Yeah! What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. So I ordered a shirt because ever since I learned about the hook grip, I'm a big proponent of set grip. So the hook grip is my favorite grip and it needs to become yours as well. And this video is gonna explain why, and it's going to help you with some nasty deadlift PRs. So every single deadlift PR that's here on the book, you can see it right here. Don't mind my kids coloring this, but my deadlift PR of 200 kilograms was with the hook grip. Nice. My sumo deadlift was with the hook grip. And yes, those are like ancient PRs. We should get new ones pretty damn soon. But yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. But with the hook grip, for you, that is going to happen. So the hook grip, basically, what is it? You saw me doing it in the intro. It's the most superior grip where if you wrap your fingers around the barbell, you wrap your thumb first, then you wrap your fingers around your thumb, and that gets yourself a very strong grip called the hook grip. Now, it's better over the conventional grip because the conventional grip, once it starts slipping, you slip out. With the hook grip, your thumb is catching it and nothing is gonna budge. It's also way more superior than the mixed grip because it doesn't have any unilateral aspects, any asymmetries of that. We are already asymmetrical beings, so we don't want to introduce more asymmetry into our body, so a hook grip is pretty damn cool. Now, I hear you say, but my thumb hurts so much when I do the hook grip. Yeah, that's because, my friend, you start with way too much weight. I had that too, but what you need to do is you need to find exercises that are a little bit lighter to start the hook grip with, to get your thumb accustomed to being a little bit crushed, and then you just work your way up till you get to your PR weights. And that is what I did. So you could use your hook grip on just regular rows. If you're doing that, if you're warming up, you start with that hook grip. If the higher weights are too much, you wait, you keep warming up, and all of a sudden your thumbs will be bulletproof, and then you can use that to do the hook grip. Sometimes, for me personally, when I'm getting a little sweaty, it's still not enough to do a hook grip, and I feel my thumb slipping. Now, weirdly enough, all you gotta do is take some chalk and just line the inner side of your thumb, boom, like so, and you're going to have an even more aggressive hook grip. If you don't know Rascal Apparel, it's lifting apparel, and ever since I saw this shirt, I had to get it, and I thought, why not make a video about the hook grip, because I think it's way more superior than just the regular grip, the standard grip, over grip, or just the mixed grip. You're going to get so much more out of it, and don't mind that little bit of callus that is going to grow on your thumb because it's, yeah, look, you almost don't see it. So yeah, that is basically my 2 cents. Get that grip hooking and you're going to thank me. So just make sure you build up from a small weight all the way up to your deadlift PR weight. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you're now going to use the hook grip, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!